right, so today we're going to do another matching. Some of these words might be easy for you because you've seen them before, but the first thing we should do is look down at the words in the box and sound them out. So what is the first word? Spell, very good. Which picture shows spell? Good. What is the next word? Hill, very nice. Which one shows hill? Good. What is our next word? Bell. Nice. Bell goes here. And what comes next? Spill. Nice job. Okay. Next word, what do you think it is? Yeah, it's tall. And the next word? Ball. Okay, look at the next word. Drill. Nice job. 2 more words. What do you think they are? Bowl. Yep. And the last one is what? Goal. Nice job. Very good. Okay, on the back side, I'm going to give you some words and we're going to map them. So the first word, please tell me the sounds in spill. Spill. How many sounds? 4 sounds. We do 4 dots. First sound. S. Oh, there's the floss. Spill. Let's write it. Spill. Very good. Next one. Tell me the sounds in ball. B. All. How many sounds? 2. B. All. Ball. Let's write it. Nicely done. Good. Let's try most. Ost. Ost. How many sounds? Ost. Ost. Most. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do cold. Sounds? K. Old. Cold. 2. K. Old. That's our phonogram. Cold. Okay, we have 2 more. Let's do bring. Ing. How many sounds? 3. Ing. Bring. All right, boys and girls, and our last sound is sing. Our last word is sing. Sounds? S. Ing. Sing. 2. S. Ing. Sing. Nice job. Very good with your work today, boys and girls. All right, go ahead and do what your teacher would have you do next.